Another good video for these 02 to 05 Dodge Rams. These top defrost panels constantly are breaking. Sun cooks them. They just snap all over the place. They're actually very easy to get out. Yours is probably destroyed if you're looking at this video, so it should be really easy. But all you have to do, I usually start right about here. Up here they're not as bad, they're not brittle. So I can start right here. It's hard to do one-handed. Let me try with my other hand here. Alright, boom. Start to get it popped up. Just like that. Pull up on the edge. And work your way towards the middle. Right there. And then just keep on working your way across. You got clips right there. See those clips? Alright, now when you get to this spot, it helps if you have someone to pull. Hey Dad, can you pull on that? Alright, just pull at the same time as me. Ready? Sometimes the clips break. There we go. Is there one on the end still? Yep, just pull straight out. There we go. Alright, let's check it out. See what we got. Yep, all the clips are still good.
Looks good.
Yeah, no cracks. There you go, Dad. I'll take that. I'll put links in the description below for those panels I sell and other common 02 to 05 Ranger, not Ranger, 02 to 05 Ram interior parts. So that's about it right there. I'm sure this will help. Super easy to get out. Alrighty.